Locations and collections can contain a lot of important information, such as maintenance tasks, attachments, notes, and photos. Beginning with version 1.9, Under My Roof has additional safeguards against the accidental deletion of locations and collections. When you tap and hold or right-click on a location or collection and select Delete, you'll be notified that its items will no longer be a part of the location or collection and moved if you proceed with its deletion. Once the deletion is confirmed, the location or collection is no longer shown. You can view deleted locations and collections by tapping or clicking the Show All button at the bottom of the Locations or Collections list. Any deleted locations or collections will be shown at the bottom of the list. Tap and hold or right-click on a deleted location or collection and select Restore to restore the location or collection to your inventory. It's important to note that this only restores the deleted location or collection and its data, and does not move any previously associated items back to the location or collection. You can move items back to the deleted location or collection in bulk using the Multi-Select and Organize features. On the iPhone or iPad, tap the Select button at the top of the item list and then tap each item you wish to select. On the Mac, you can hold down the Command key on your keyboard while clicking each item in the item list you wish to select. If you'd like to select a group of sequential items, click the first item to select it and then hold down the Shift key and select the last item. All the items in between will also be selected. After selecting the items, open the Organize panel and then choose the location or collection you wish to move the selected items to. If you are absolutely sure you no longer want a deleted location or collection in your inventory, you can tap and hold or right-click on the deleted location or collection and select Delete to permanently delete it.